Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on my buddy's 2005 Subaru Impreza. We're going to be changing the clutch flywheel. So we got to get this thing up in the air, drop everything out, and get started on it. So here it is right here. It's a pretty nice car. He's had it since, this was his first car. So what year did you get it?
2005.
You got it in 2005, wow, yeah. It's pretty cool. Third gen. You want me to go in from that side, or you got it with that?
Yep, there it is.
Okay. So now, okay, now come back and down. And back and down.
Check our wiring.
I don't see anything on this side. Clear down. I think we're clear down all the way, dude. Hell yeah. Alright, so we got the clutch fork throwout bearing replaced, and we're working on getting the clutch installed. My battery died, so lost a little bit of footage, but here's the transmission that's out, and then he's working up there getting the everything installed on the clutch, flywheel, all that stuff. I'll get you close up here in a second. Alright, so here we got the new flywheel and clutch pressure plate. The alignment tool goes in and out nice and easy. I can get it in there. There we go. That slides in and out. all torque to spec. Next up, we're gonna be putting the transmission back up in here. Get up here, I can start putting these axles back in, yeah? Oh, felt so good. About to give her the first start. It feels what? Like bad? All right, so far so good. Seems to be working. We'll see when he comes back around. All right, so in editing the Impreza clutch change, realized I didn't get to film the outro to this video. We finished up. Car ran good. There was no issues with the clutch. It actually fixed his issue that he was having with the grinding noise. So that's gonna wrap this one up. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you on the next one.